Acknowledge the presence of narcissistic dynamics in your life. Reflect on the emotional toll these dynamics have taken. Recognize patterns of manipulation and control often employed. Understand the concept of narcissistic injury and its impact. Embrace the need for psychological and emotional recovery. Begin rebuilding your self-esteem with conscious effort. Develop healthy boundaries to protect your emotional well-being. Disengage from toxic relationships with care and thoughtfulness. Seek support from trusted friends and professionals. Prioritize self-care practices to aid in healing. Engage in activities that reinforce personal empowerment. Explore and affirm your intrinsic values and beliefs. Practice forgiveness for yourself and others to move forward. Cultivate mindfulness to stay grounded and present. Identify personal goals that align with your authentic self. Develop resilience through perseverance and self-reflection. Acknowledge setbacks as part of the healing journey. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Challenge and reframe destructive thought patterns. Seek therapeutic support for deeper emotional wounds. Celebrate small victories to fuel ongoing growth. Maintain a journal to track progress and insights. Surround yourself with positive influences and environments. Engage in creative outlets to express emotions. Educate yourself on dynamics to increase awareness. Redefine success based on personal fulfillment. Reflect on personal growth and transformation regularly. Embrace your journey toward reclaiming peace and autonomy. Remain patient and compassionate with yourself during setbacks. Recognize and resist victim mentality in challenging times. Appreciate the strength acquired through adversity and healing. Understand that reclaiming peace is a gradual process.